Hello, friends. Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you are enjoying your holidays very well. This year there was no Christmas market in our city, but I'm sharing some images with you from the last year. As you can see, there are so many people, around 2 million people visit Aachen Christmas market every year from UK, Netherlands, Belgium. It is that famous. This gingerbread man is 6 meter high, this mascot of our Christmas market, and it comes in as in the top 10 Christmas markets of the Europe. They are the, means it is one of the best, and this is the city center, and this area is in front of the city town hall. So many variety of things are here to be on sale. That is why it is so famous, like print and nougat, and this Christmas decorations, these toys, and some of the things are available only in the Christmas market on sale. That is why Christmas markets are so famous and people love coming here for shopping. And we also have a dome which is worldwide famous for its because it is a UNESCO heritage site. It is actually a church where kings were used to be crowned. That is why it is so famous. And even German chancellor and French president, they come here once a year to celebrate that, to have the anniversaries of that church. And when the corona time is over, when the lockdown is lifted, I will take you to that site also. I hopefully I will be able to show you that place. Even the specialties of Belgium, France can be found here. Like Lutischer is a, which you can see in the background. It is a specialty of Belgium. Waffles. Because of Corona, so many people lost their way of earning this year. But I hope things will get better next year, as vaccine is already there. As you can see, these are so beautiful decorations. And the food stalls are also very yummy, very tasty things are available here, and people really love to buy from here. This is nougat shop. It is French specialty and it is very tasty, very yummy. It is sweet. And here comes the specialty of my city, Aachen. And this specialty is Printon. These Printon are available in different sizes, as you can see. And if you are living in Aachen and you want to give someone from something to some other city people, then Printon is a thing which we gift. It is a very famous specialty. People really love it. They are a bit sweet in nature, and their recipe is also a little bit secret. It is only Aachen bakery, they know the exact recipe of the Printon. As you can see, these come in different gift sets form. People from Netherlands, Belgium, France. In fact, we had a friend from New Zealand. He bought so many Printon from here. He really liked them. It is a bit unique in taste, which you don't find anywhere else. So food stalls from different type of things are here, like maroni. This is a French specialty, and these are the crepes. Raibekuchen, which you can see in the background, it is like a fried potato patty. Bratwurst is also very famous here. Glühwein. Glühwein is the heart and soul of every Christmas market. It is a bit warm in temperature, and people like drinking here in the bar, which is you can see in the cottage, or they just stand around and drink it. I hope you liked today's vlog, and if you did, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.